Math 7, Lesson 1.1 is coordinate planes. Let's start by taking a look at some definitions and defining our terms. So the first definition that we want to take a look at is the horizontal line on a coordinate plane where points are plotted moving left to right is called our x-axis. A vertical line on a coordinate plane where points are plotted moving up and down is called our y-axis. A point identified by an x and y coordinate as a pair, parentheses x, y, this is called an ordered pair. And in our ordered pair, it always goes x, y, so think of it as x comes before y in the alphabet. The four sections of the coordinate plane divided by the x and y axes, these are called quadrants. And our last one is the center point of coordinate planes at 0, 0 is the origin. Let's take a look at a coordinate plane and see if we can match some of these up with the definitions we just went over. So our quadrants, let's go ahead and label those. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. Quadrants are always labeled in that order. So what we're asked to do right here is A, we want to plot the point 3, 3 and determine what quadrant that's in. So let's take a look at where 3, 3 would be. So 3, 3, this is always going to be your x, and this is always going to be your y. So our x is over 3. So we're right here, 1, 2, 3. And we're up 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. So this is our point. And that is our point 3, 3. And so that is in quadrant 1. What about our point -3? Right here. And then -3 on the y-axis right here. And that is -3, -3, and that is going to be in quadrant 3. -5, so 5 on your x-axis, and then -5, 3, 4, 5 right there. And that is going to be 5, -5, and that would be on axis 4. And then we're going to do -5 on our x-axis, and then 5 on our y-axis right here. So this would be -5, 5, and that is in quadrant 2. Zero, -2 is right here. And that would be on our y-axis. So it's not actually in a specific quadrant, it would be down here, but it's on the axis, which is on the line, so we have to say what line it's on. This is our x, and this is our y. So it's on the y-axis. And our last one is 2, 0. So 2 on our x-axis, 0, we're not moving at all on our y-axis. And that is going to be right there. That point is 2, 0. And the quadrant that is in, or where it's located, is on the x-axis.